Selecting the Save Active Document option in the Save menu or the Save option from within the PriMus menu button, you can save the current work session. If this is the first time you are saving the document, the Save As dialog appears, where you can choose the location folder, indicating where you want to save the document. You can also specify the file name and of course choose the format. As you can see, the DCF format is the recommended format since it is the PriMus native format, allowing you to store all of the data in a single compact size and easy manageable file. We can of course also save in other formats. So once selected the desired format, simply confirm to save.